friends, what's up? So in today's video I thought I'd do something a little fun. I've been seeing this video go around for a while now and I'm always late to the bandwagon, you guys know this. Today I'm going to do my makeup with tiny hands. I ordered this on Amazon, and if you guys follow me on my vlog channel you guys will know that I accidentally ordered too many. I ordered this many. I was like, I gotta do it, right? I have to do it because I already ordered so many and I just keep watching videos, and these ones are weird because these ones are like so flexible. Look at it. Look at it. So I'm going to use the Benefit Porefessional. I'm going to, so I'm gonna have to cheat a little bit, you guys, because I can't, you know, open it. Oops. Put it on the finger, right? Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, we're off to a good start. Wow, okay, I need a little bit more. Yes, yes, very nice. And I have my beauty blender over here, and then for foundation I'm gonna use my, I wish you guys could see me trying to grab these things. I'm going to use my Revolution, it's falling. I'm going to use my Revolution foundation because it has like a little applicator and I'm not trying to use these hands to try to pump, you know? Oh gosh. Oh god, oh gosh! Oh no, I got it on my face shirt. Okay, so let's start from one side like always. Like this. This is going so much better than I thought it'd be going, you guys. You know what it is? So there are other hands too, and the other hands were like, the fingers were kind of like stuck together. These ones, the fingers you can like separate and stuff, which is good because then it allows you like to have a little bit more control, you know what I'm saying? Oh god. Oh god, this is hard. If you know what's hard about it is that the hand, like my finger is in the hand, if that makes sense. So my finger keeps slipping out. So then we're gonna go in with concealer, and concealer, which one am I gonna use? So for concealer, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. This is so funny. We're gonna just tap this out. Okay, holding the beauty blender is not that hard, but like applying everything else is pretty hard. Next, we are going to we have to set our under eyes. So I'm gonna set our under eyes with a fluffy brush. I'm not gonna really bake it or anything, so we're gonna set our under eyes with this brush right here. Oh god, oh god. Oh god. No, you can still see my finger. No. Okay, so we're gonna do it like this. Oh god, it's slipping! Okay, okay. So we're gonna just set our under eye. Like so. And then we're gonna also just set the rest of our face, cause why not? I just poked myself in the eye. Ugh, I'm so stupid. You guys, you know what I always do? When I'm doing my makeup, I always do this before I set my foundation, and then I always set my foundation with the wrinkles in it. Ugh! So annoying. Next, oh my god, you guys, I'm dripping in sweat. It's so hot right now. Okay, so then next we're gonna continue on with the face, and I'm gonna use some bronzer. And for bronzer, I'm going to use this brush right here. I don't know how to hold this brush. This is so hard. All right, so we're gonna use this brush right here. This is so freaking difficult for me. I'm so frustrated right now. And then I'm going into my Marc Jacobs bronzer, like always, and I'm just gonna bronze it up. It's actually not too bad, but like certain things, like holding this brush with this hand is very difficult for me for some reason. I don't know why, but it is. So I'm just gonna quickly pop on blush, because why not? Because I feel like the eyes are the hard part. Let's do brows next. Brows. For brows, I'm going to use the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. So I'm itchy. Ooh, this is so good for itching your eyes. Wow. So I'm gonna take my eyebrow brush and then, oh God, this is not steady. This hand is not steady. I need to turn it this way. There we go. Okay, the powder is so good for this because it'll be easy to remove, and then I just feel like you have more like room for mistakes with eyebrow powders. Oh God, my hand's shaking. Okay, that's all I want to fill for my brows. No, actually I want to fill a little more right here. I have never sweat this much during a video. This is intense. Okay, next eyebrow. We're gonna do this one. I can do this. It's not that hard, but like it's hard. Oh no. Oh no. Now I feel sweat droplets in the front. What is going on? I think that's good enough. They're definitely not even. Like this one is always so high. Hold on. Oh, my chin is itchy. Hold on. I know this one's way higher, but I think they're okay. Right? I feel like we should do eyeliner. But let me put a little something in my crease, you know? I'm gonna take my bronzer and then I'm going to apply with this brush just a little bit on my eye. So now I feel like I should do some eyeliner, but I think the best control that I'll have with eyeliner is a pen eyeliner. I think so. Actually, forget it. I'll just use I hate using any other liner except for the NYX liner. So I'm going to use my NYX matte liquid liner, the one that I always use, you know what I mean? It's just so hard opening these. Oh no, this one's all dried out. Now I gotta shake it. I do not have the time to try to shake it with these, okay? Okay, we can do this. Guys, we can do this, we can do this. Oh shit. Oh my God, did I do it? Oh my God, my stupid finger keeps sticking out. I don't know how to do this. It's really bothering me. It's not helping that my eyeliner is literally dried out. Like actually just fully dried out. How the hell was I able to do a better eyeliner with these tiny hands than I could ever do with just normal hands? How? Look how nice that is. And a dry eyeliner. These tiny hands are magic. The other side is going to be hard. No, the other one was so nice. Okay, so if I pull from here maybe and try. These eyeliners are all dried out and it's pissing me off because it's ruining how I'm doing it. Okay, I give up. It's fine. So then I'm not even gonna try eyelashes because this whole process just ticked me off so much. It's just too hard. So now we're gonna do some mascara, and this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. Next, we'll add some highlight because I forgot to add some highlight. So with that, we're gonna use the MAC Cosmetics Oh Darling. Why is this side so hard? This makeup is not too bad. Like even the eye, it's not too bad, you know? Like it still looks pretty good. Like I think I could get away with wearing it, no? So for lips, I'm going to start off with the Tarte Cosmetics Lip Lingerie in Undressed. And I like to line my lips with this. Just fixing. I'm not gonna lie, these are so good to like fix errors. I think that's good enough, I don't know. So then I'm going to just go over it with this ColourPop Ultra Matte Lipstick in Knotty, Knotty, Knotty. Just put this in the center of my lip. And then I'm gonna use my finger to blend this out. I feel like I am missing something. I just don't know what I'm missing. Okay, so then we're gonna end this off with some setting spray, except I'm not too entirely sure how I'm supposed to even set my face. So I'm gonna set it with the Farsali Rose Gold. The Rose Gold. I don't know if I can even spray this on my face, to be honest. Completely missed. That's nice. Completely missed again. Okay, I give up. I'm so frustrated by these hands that I don't even care if I set my face. Because it's not like I'm about to wear this makeup out, you know? Okay, you guys need to try this. This is difficult. Everyday things with small hands is very difficult. That was quick. I just wanted to test this out. It wasn't like a makeup tutorial or anything. I just wanted to see how it would be. And this was really difficult. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe here. Subscribe to my vlog channel. My entire family here on YouTube. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oops. No, let's try that again. Bye. Nope. His fingers are still showing. Bye.